If you are planning to buy a high-velocity fan, this guide will help you choose the right one and understand whether the Lasko Portable Utility Fan is worth your money. First, you need to understand what CFM means. CFM stands for cubic feet per minute, and it measures how much air a fan can move. The higher the CFM, the stronger the airflow. This fan delivers 289 CFM, which is considered powerful for a compact utility fan. It is ideal for small to medium spaces like bedrooms, garages, or workshops. Next, let's talk about fan type. There are ceiling fans, pedestal fans, and utility blower fans. A utility blower fan like this one is designed for directional airflow. Instead of just circulating air, it pushes air in a focused direction, making it useful for cooling, drying, and ventilation. Now, speed control is another important factor. This fan comes with 3 speeds. Low is good for quiet airflow, medium balances noise and performance, and high gives you maximum power when you need fast cooling or drying. Build quality is also critical. The Lasko Portable Utility Fan is made with durable materials and includes safety features like a circuit breaker and grounded plug. This makes it safe for long-term use. Portability is another key buying factor. At only 7.5 pounds, this fan is easy to carry and move between rooms. It also has a built-in handle, which adds convenience. Now let's discuss airflow direction. The 270-degree pivoting head allows you to aim the airflow exactly where you want. This is especially useful when drying floors, ventilating a corner, or cooling a specific area. Another unique feature is the 2 built-in accessory outlets. These allow you to power additional devices or tools, which is particularly helpful in a garage and workshop setup. When it comes to space, this fan has a compact footprint, so it fits easily in tight areas without taking up much room. Now let's compare it to regular fans. Traditional fans are designed for cooling, but they don't cool air as aggressively. This fan is built for performance, which makes it more versatile. However, it is slightly louder at high speed, which is something to consider if you need a quiet environment. In terms of pricing, this fan is positioned as a budget-friendly option while still delivering strong performance. That makes it a good value choice for most buyers. So who should buy this fan? If you need strong airflow in a small space, want a portable solution, or need a fan for drying and ventilation tasks, this is a great option. If you need silent operation or coverage for a very large room, you may want to consider a different type of fan. Overall, the Lasko Portable Utility Fan offers a strong balance of power, portability, and price, making it one of the best choices in its category. Check the link to see the latest price and decide if it fits your needs.